get that done and maybe buy something while on the way, like some groceries, and we'll see how the city is right now. It's not a lockdown anymore, but it's still safe to stay inside. So I'm all like prepared right now. But yeah, hopefully there are not many people outside. So we'll see.
So masks never fit my face because my face is extremely small.
You can bring the mask கொஞ்சம் மேல cover your forehead fully. Yeah.
My skin's breaking out right now a lot, so I wanted to give more love to my skin. That's why I did mask. But yeah, I feel so hydrated right now, so that's good. It's a little thing to do after a long day of work. So yesterday I put up an Instagram story asking people if you have any questions for me, and I got a bunch. So I thought I will answer them in this video. So yeah. Okay, first question. What is your height? I am actually not as tall as some people think I am. I'm actually 5'2" and 3/4, and yes, the 3/4 matters a lot. So, what are your interests during quarantine? My interests, as I've mentioned multiple times in my older videos, is that I've gotten into cooking a lot. I never usually used to cook before quarantine. I barely know to make Maggi before, but now I've started getting into a little bit more cooking. I have got that patience now, so I do cooking, but I kind of still play safe. So I'm looking forward to explore more dishes in the future. So, home tour and room tour, please. I'm not gonna do a home tour and a room. You've seen my room in multiple videos in like short clips, so there's nothing really interesting as such going on in my room. So probably not dedicate a whole video for that. No. Okay, so the next question is pretty deep. It is how to stay in a good rapport with friends and how to build good relationships. For me, personally, I always believe that being yourself is always the best. I don't appreciate people who try to fit in a group of people or just change their personality for other people. It's not gonna last. Don't do that. Just be yourself and be kind in general to people and be honest. Obviously, don't be fake to someone. It's never good. So, and yeah, if you're genuine and if your intentions are good and you're kind to people, people will like you and they will be friends with you. And obviously, you will find your people. I also think that quality matters over quantity. Having like a small group of friends is not a bad thing if they're all quality friends. So that is what I want to say for this question. So just be kind to people. What is your daily routine? My daily routine is I wake up, straight away go to work, go as in like over my laptop and start working, and my work ends around 8:30, 9 in an average day. So, and then only my actual day starts where I wind down and like maybe cook someday or just watch some TV series and go to sleep around 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the morning. So yeah, not the most perfect routine, but that's what I do these days in this quarantine. How did your friendship start with Stella and Priya? So Stella, Priya and I are school friends, and we've been classmates since UKG, and I've known Priya since LKG, so we've been friends ever since, and yeah, and forever in the future. How are you feeling in this quarantine? As I mentioned in my last video, I feel exhausted, but I hope everything turns out fine in the future. Which camera do you use for your filming? I use my Canon G7X Mark II. So when I was researching for what camera to buy, this is the one that kept popping up, and this is the one that's very popular camera amongst YouTubers, and I heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I bought it. 10 on 10, I'm so happy with this camera. Video quality is great, picture quality is great, it's very compact and it's travel friendly, so it's amazing all in all. I've been using this for a year now and I have not found anything wrong with it. So it is a little bit on the expensive side, but I think if you're looking to invest in a camera, I would genuinely recommend this. One thing though, it only has an inbuilt mic. You can't really connect an external mic to it, so that's one thing that's probably annoying. And I also heard that this is a pretty old camera, right? And there's a Mark III that got released, but apparently that is not as good as this one. So if you're looking to buy Canon G7X, maybe just have that in mind. And for now, I'm using Canon G7X Mark II and I'm not planning on changing it anytime soon. What would be your favorite celebrity to meet? So I follow this band called 17 and I would really love to watch them in a concert live or something. And I am excited. I'm looking forward to the day I attend one of their concerts. It's really grand and yeah, it's gonna be great. Skincare routine. My skincare routine has changed since I've uploaded my last skincare routine video. I changed my face wash and my moisturizer, so I am gonna be filming a new video, updated skincare routine video in the near future, so watch out for that. Subscribe to this channel. How to stay focused and get the daily goals achieved without being delayed. For me, I would say plan your day. Planning your day is gonna help you to stick to that schedule because you're working from home or you're staying at home and it's very easy for you to procrastinate and just get distracted really easily. So I would highly suggest you to plan your day every single hour. Even if you're taking a break, I would usually put that break in my calendar so I know, okay, I'm not missing any hours and there are no loopholes, and I make sure to stick to that schedule. So yeah, planning my day has been great. So yeah, try doing that and just see if that works. It could be in any form. It can be a planner, it could be like just your calendar, just your normal to-do list. So just plan your day and try to stick to it and see if that's working out for you guys. So those are the questions I have for this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to click the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for 2,500 subscribers. It really means a lot. I hope you guys are enjoying my content and I hope you guys are also looking forward to new videos because there's a lot coming in, and I really thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Ankles.
Ankles?
Yeah.
Ankles.
No. Hand ankle. Yeah.
I